Hello guys, so I'm here to share to you a very useful tool that you can use when you are using a Windows machine. So there are times that you need to copy something on your screen, such as text from a video tutorial or a Zoom meeting, and then it was presented there like a text and then you want to copy it. This tool will allow you to copy any forms of text that you can see on your screen and paste it to any text editor. So as you can see here, I came across to this website that if you observe, the cursor here doesn't change to select cursor whenever I hover a text. No. So it remains in the arrow cursor. So if whenever a text should be selectable, it should change into something like this. And you can highlight the text. However, this website doesn't allow that. And if you right click, it is also disabled. So for you to copy any text on your screen, just go to the Microsoft Store and then look for what we call Microsoft Power Toys. So Microsoft Power Toys does have many features that you can use. So click on this one and then just hit install and wait for it to be downloaded and installed. Sometimes there are prompts that will pop up, just allow it for it to be installed. And then after installation, you'll have it on your machine, and if you open it, it will show you something like this. And there are different features here, and what we want is the text extractor, this one. So this is the text extractor, and the shortcut is Windows Shift T. You can actually change this one if you want. So let's try this one. I'll open a notepad and we'll paste here the text that we want to, or we will be copying. So go to your keyboard and hit the Windows Shift and then T. As you can see, the cursor will change to something like this, the cross one. Then just select where you want to copy the text. For example, I will copy the text from here. Then automatically, after that, it will be already on your copy clipboard. Just right click where you want to paste it, no? Then just hit paste. Then this is the text that you can see here. You can also do this for a video. So let's go to a video. And then hit any music with lyrics.
My name is Christine. I live in Jersey City, New Jersey, and I went from working in healthcare to being a software engineer in 1 year.
So just skip the ads here. So we have here the video with text. So let's hit again the Windows Shift T. Windows Shift T. And the cursor will change, as you can see. Let's select this text here. Then it will be automatically copied. And then let's paste it here. So of course, there are times that it cannot detect some special kind of font. So you still need to, of course, perform proofreading or editing. Let's try some text that is more common. So maybe lyrics. Just type lyrics of, so let's say this one. Then let's play this. So this one has a more typical normal text. So let's hit again our Windows Shift T. Then let's try to copy this one. Then let's go to our text editor and then paste it there. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you. in your day-to-day usage of Windows. So please do like this video and subscribe in my channel for my next tutorials and of course other kind of videos. Thank you for thank you for watching, guys, and if you have any comments, just put it in the comment section, and please also hit the thumbs up.